Hey, what is up to the B squad? It's Big B aka Breezy, and in today's video I'll be telling you guys how to get rid of a piercing bump. If you are new here, welcome to my channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. All that being said and done, let's get straight into this video. First things first, you need to identify what kind of piercing bump it is, because it could be one of two things. A normal occurring bump, which can be due to irritation on the piercing site, or B, a keloid, in which case unfortunately this video is not for you. Secondly, have you been following your aftercare religiously? Be for real, because it may not even be an escalated issue if you've been doing your aftercare, which is to clean the pierced area with saline solution, or at the very least warm water twice a day. If you've been doing your aftercare and it still persists, only then should you consider this solution. And I'm not going to drag this video to keep you guys waiting in suspense on purpose, so I'm just going to get straight into it. There are only two things you need, and you can find this at a mall or at any market even. The first is your natural sea salt, which is like the main ingredient, and then an essential tea tree oil, and then warm water. That's literally all you need. So because the sea salt is still in its crystallized form, you have to dilute it with water. And not so much that it dissolves entirely, but just enough to make it kind of like a paste. Then you apply the mixture on the piercing surface. Then wait like 2 or 3 minutes before washing it out with like clean water. For the tea tree oil, dilute it in water too. Just like 2 or 3 drops of it in a syrup measuring cup filled with water. Do this 2 to 3 times daily, and after a while the results should kick in. Yeah. Lastly, if you notice any foul smell or pus, please go to a doctor or back to your piercing artist, because it can be a risk of infection for real. You feel me? So yeah, I hope this really helps someone out there, because it can be frustrating for a real man. It can be bad frustrating. Come to the end of the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Put on your post notification bell so you don't miss any videos. And all that being said and done, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.